everyone. I am Chitranjanjeet Kaur, Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, CEDA-E. Welcome again to our third lecture of the Python programming. Today we will learn string manipulation in the Python. Strings are one of the most important data types in Python, used for storing and working with text. We will explore how to create, access and modify string with different techniques. So key points for today's lectures are basics of the string, various operations in the string, methods and functions, operators, and we will do some practical example for the same. Now, the next slide is string creation and access. We can create a string by assigning text to the variable. String support indexing. The first character is at index. The negative indices access from the end. We can also slice the string and get the portion or some step through them. Like here, S is a string with the hello word. Print as 0 means the first character will print here like H. And if we write -1 here, then D will print here because -1 means the last character. If we want the whole string like hello, and like if we want to slice it from the starting, we use 0 to 5. And in the case of double colon 2 means we are jump between the two. The second character will be here like H, then the second one is L, then one L is deducted from, the next will be 0. Similarly, the space is also considered here, then W, then 1 again R, and then D. Now the various string operations are there and various operators are used in the string operations. String can be combined using the plus operator, repeated with the star, and check for the membership using in. These operators make string handling easier. Like here, concatenation, two strings in between the plus sign is there, and if we want the repetition of the same, we star asterisk sign multiply, or we can say the multiplication sign into 3 times HI will print over here. And if we want to check the membership, we write H in hello. Now common string methods are there. So Python provide built-in string methods like lower, upper, strip. The lower is give the lowercase letters, upper gives us the upper letters like a capital ABC, and if we want to strip and if we want to remove the spaces, we use the strip function over here. Now string are also used for the formatting as well. Like if you write John here and if you want to print the name of John, we use the curly braces for it. This is known as the string formatting. And if we want to write here print braces is brace format Python and fun. Here the Python will be here and fun will be here. F string are the modern and easiest way, while format is widely used. Now, what are operators? Operators are the special symbols that tell the Python to perform the specific action. The value they work are called operands. Together they form the expression like operand. In between operands we can use operator, and the whole form the expression like A plus B. Here the operand is A and B, and if we put a plus in between, that is operator, and this whole thing is called as a expression. Operator, a special symbol. Operand can be a value or a variable. Expression is combination of operator plus operands. So different types of operators are there in the Python, like arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, bitwise, membership and identity. Like as we have seen earlier, the operators are the symbol that perform the operation on the variable or the value. They are the backbone of the expression and conditions in the Python programming. If we want to check any condition, we also use different kinds of operators. Now, number one kind of operator is arithmetic operator. It is used for the mathematical calculation, plus, addition, minus, subtraction, then multiplication, asterisk sign is perform the multiplication, backslash perform the division, and this modulus symbol give us the remainder, and double symbol like it give the floor division, and if we use the double asterisk it give the exponential as well. Now next is comparison operator. Comparison operator compare two values and return true and false. These are very important in the decision making and in the conditional statements. So comparison operator, when we use double equal to, it give equals to. This means not equal to, exclamation marks and equal to gives not equal to. This give greater to, and less than symbol give us less than value. This is greater than equal to, this is less than equal to. Now next operator is the logical operator. Logical operator help us to combine the condition and need both condition true or need at least one true or not is used to flip the result, and true if both conditions are true, or true if at least one condition is true. Not is used to reverse the result. If we write x comma y equals to true false and we get x and y, if both will be true it give the true result. If one is true and other is false, it will give the false result. And in the OR condition, if at least one is true, it gives the true result. Not is reverse of the condition. If the condition is true, it gives us the false result, and if the condition is false, it gives us the true result. The next operator is the assignment operator. Assignment operator allow us to update the variable value in the shortened way. Instead of using like a equals to a plus 5, we simply write a plus equal to 5. So like assign value, this is how we assign the value using equal to sign. And if we write plus equal to, it will add and assign. And if we write minus equal to, it subtract and assign the value. Similarly, we do the multiplication equal to, division equal to, it do the same thing. Example of this is, if a equals to 10, a plus 5 equal to 5, it means a plus 5, and that value goes to the a variable again. Like here 10 will add to 5. Now next are membership operators. The membership operator are used to check if a value is the part of sequence like a string, list or tuple. We will do the list, string, tuples, dictionary in further lectures as well. So in true if the element is present over there, not in true if the element is not present over there. Now if we have a string s is equals to the Python and print p in s, it gives us true result because p is present in the string. Similarly, if we print z not in s, it will also give us the true result because z is not there in the Python string. Now next is the identity operator. Identity operator also check the identity of two variables. Whether two variables are same or not, it will check that. Is true if both refers to the same object. Is not true if not same object. Like x is equals to 1, 2, 3. Similarly, y is equals to x, z is equals to 1, 2, 3. Print x is y. Then it will return us the true or false result here. So identity operator check whether two variable points to the same object in the memory, not just whether their content are equal. Now here with the operator, if we do any addition operator, subtraction operator, it will give us some value. Now what kind of value we get? If we plus integer, two integers, then we automatically get that integer value in the result. So here the concept of type conversion come. A type conversion refers to changing the data type of value from one type to another. Python supports two type of conversion. Number one is implicit type conversion, that is automatic. And number two is the explicit type conversion, or we can say the typecasting. Now, implicit type conversion, also called automatic type conversion. It happens automatically when Python convert one data type to another during the operation. Like if a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, and we print the value of a plus b, we will get the result 30 over here. That will be integer. This type of conversion is called the implicit type conversion. Now next is explicit type conversion, also known as the typecasting. It is done manually by the programmer using built-in functions. So here is a table for the same. So int convert into the integer, like if we write int 3.7, it will give us 3. If we get the float, it will convert into the float. If we want to convert anything into the string, it automatically get converted into the string. Similarly for the bool, true or false. The next list, it will convert like a list into a, b, c. We write a list, it gives us the list. We will do the list, dictionary, sets in detail in the further lectures. So this is all for the theory part. Now we will move to the practical part of all these. Now we are moved to the practical part. Open your IDE. Here I have opened my VS Code over here. Now today's lecture is about the string. Now first of all, how we create the string, like we write s hello world, and if we want to check the first letter, we write here 0. And to run this we use Python 3_lecture, that is the name of file, lecture.py, and we get the h over here. And if we want to print the fifth letter, we need to write one less because its indexing is start from 0, so we write this. So now the fifth word is O over here. Fine. Now I have also told you about the negative indexing, so we write the print s -1 over here. Now let's check what will be the result. So we get a D over here. The D result is over here. Now if you want to get if you want to slice something, you write print s Like here I'm going to write 3 to 6 over here. Now run this. We get LO. The third one is this L and this O. After that there is a space, so we don't get that here. Let's check if we write a print 3 7. Now check this, we get LO space W over here. And if we write like print S 0 colon -1. Now let's check what we will be get. So we get HELLO WRD, except last we get all the values here. And if we write print S 0 colon, let's check what we get. We get hello world whole. That from index 1 it will give all the strings present over here. Moreover, one thing more, if we do like print S square braces and we write 2 here, so it will jump 2 values and it give HLO WRD. Fine. So this is all about the strings over here, that how we access the value of the string. And if we want to reverse the string, we write print -1. So it will reverse the whole string. And if we write print -3, then we check the result. So it give RLD from the last three characters we get over here. Now the next thing is string operations. Now I'm going to delete all these things. Now we will move to the string operations. String operations are what we have done. We have done the concatenation. So for the concatenation we write S is equals to hello plus word and if we want to print the value, print S over here. So we get the hello word without the space. If we want to add a space, we can plus that as well here over here. And next is a repetition. We have done the repetition like P is equals to HI asterisk or multiplication sign 3, and we want to print P here. So hi we get it 3 times. So similarly, if we want to check the membership, like if we want to, like this is the string, if we want to just check H's exist in the string or not, we just write print H. It should be in the single inverted commas over here. H in. So S is the name of string, so we write a string here. So that it gave us a true value that H is lie over there. And if we write a Z over here and we check the result, it will give the false result. Now next is replace. Next is replace. Replace is used to replace one string value with the another. So write a print s dot replace. So here is a word. And we want to change it with the class. So hello class is the result over there. Now next is this is for the replace, and if we want to split the string, we use s dot split function over here. And now we're going to run it. It split the hello word whole because it is the concatenation over here, no? So that's why we get the split value as a 1. Now this is all about the split, that divide, and we have seen the replace also over there. Now next is the join. Now first of all, let's check what join will do. So this is the syntax for the join. So I'm adding one space, dot join I, comma, love, comma, Python. Now let's check the result over here. So I love Python. It join all the values in the list to 1. So similarly, there is a find over there. Like I'm taking a new string over there. str is equals to, I'm writing banana over here, and we just need to check whether a is over there. We just write a print s dot, oh sorry, we have use str over here, str dot find. We just want to check whether a is present over there or not. So we get a 1. So it gave the first value over here. And if we want to check NA, let's check that also. It gave 2. Fine. So the 2 patterns over there, it will give the that these are exist in the string. Now if we want to count, a, and we need to check the result. So it gives the 3 value over here because 3 times that is exist over here. Now next to this, we have done the format in the string. Fine. Here I am taking let me clear this all. Fine. Now we start from the first. Fine. So format in string. So name is equals to Jeet here. and I want to print my name, so that is I'm using the F function. F hello. I'm using comma and one space over here, fine. And with that I'm using name. Let me check, one error is over here. Wait for a second. So it is giving the result. Okay, so let's check what kind of error will be here. Okay, let's check this. Wait for a second over here. Hello. So let's check it. So we get the hello Jeet over here, fine. So if we write a F over here, now let's check the result. So it's also give the hello Jeet, fine. So now if we want to print further in this, if I use a print double curly braces, comma, I'm writing is over here, then again double curly braces, dot format, Python, comma, fun. So now let's check it out. Okay, we get a format function like that. Okay, so it's like let's check this for. Okay, so we don't write here. So we use a comma over here. Let's check this out. So Python, comma, fun we get if we write a format here. And we run this. It's an invalid format. Okay, so actually we want the result Python is a fun. So this is all about the format function. Now we will move to the operators. Now in operators we have done the arithmetic operators like A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, C is equals to 10, A plus B over here, and we print the value, print C, and we run it. So we get a 30 value over here. Similarly we minus over here and we check the result. We get minus 10 because A minus B will give the negative result. If we write a multiplication over here. Okay, so this is all for today. In the next class, we will do some practical examples on the string formatting and different operators that we have done today. The practical examples of that we will do in the next class, and we will do the more about the dictionaries, list and set in the further lectures. Thank you.